Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for vintage clothing and accessories business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. So now you can, as you see, you can start with Touch AI, so it's gonna help you to customize and set up your website. And also you can go to basic setup, so you can set up without AI. So for me, I'm gonna choose this way. So I'm gonna get started from here. So let's get started. Now as you see, you can add your business type or your website type, vintage clothing. So as you see now, you can select your business type. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, vintage clothing store. Now add your store name. Do you already have an online store? What would you like to sell? Physical product or digital product or dropshipping product or services? So this is depends on your business. Where would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplaces in social media? So let's continue. Let's continue to dashboard. Okay, so let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design a website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna get started from here. Now as you see, you can add your information, the name and the email, the address, the phone, and also you can add the social link. Now you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. Okay, so you can try your best to make your site look attractive, to pull more customers and more people to your website. So don't forget the simple details like the fonts and like the themes, like the colors. So it's more important to make your site looks better and attractive. Now you're gonna choose your favorite homepage design. Now you can pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one here. Okay, let's continue. You can add pages if you want, services or products, about us or contacts, whatever you like. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. So as you see here, this is the editor page. So you can add elements if you want. You can customize the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, the text mask. You can change whatever you like here. Also here in the image, you can upload image, you can import image, you can explore image free from Wix or free Wix illustrations. You can customize the theme text, the themed buttons, the themed and the icon buttons. Here we have the decorative. You can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines, and vertical lines. If you want to add something new, you can just click here, and you can add section. So you can just select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage. Also, if you want to customize your site design, you can customize the color theme, the text theme, the page background, or the page transitions. So that's it. So the first section here we have the header section. So you can do a quick edit. For example, you can change the site name if you want. You can manage the horizontal menu, the menu. So nothing special in the first section. So let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, you can change the section background, the color or the image, video or whatever you like. If you want to change this paragraph right here, just click on it. Okay, and create AI text. And now you can select the type of the section. For example, this is the welcome section, and you have to insert information to include here, and click here and it's gonna create it for you. You can make it more shorter than this, and it's gonna create it easy and quick. Also, if you wanna edit the text, just click here, and you can change the paragraph style, and also you can change the font. So that's it. If you wanna change the image, just click here and go to the image, and you can search whatever you like on the search. For example, you can type vintage clothing. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this one here. Okay, so just like this, now you can keep going and change the next section. So you can manage products, so here you can create your products, so you can add new products. So as you see here, you can add the title of your product, you can add images and videos. Also you can add your product information, the name and the description. Also, if you wanna customize the pricing options, you can turn this on sale, and customize the discounts, the sale price. You can also manage the inventory and the shipping, the track inventory, the status, the shipping weight. So after you're done, you can save this place and go back to complete design. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. Okay, so this is about section, so you can regenerate another AI text like always, like the same thing as always. So you can just describe what you want in your text. For example, you can select just the type of the section. For example, this is about section, and you have to insert information to include here, and click here and it's gonna create it for you. So you can make it more shorter than this. So for example, just like this. If you want to regenerate another one, just click here, it's gonna be regenerated. So that's it. So this is the opening hours. You can just click here also and create another AI text, and it's gonna create it for you. This is the feature section, so the same thing as normal. So you can change the image and the text right here. Also, if you want to change the fonts, just click here and change the fonts. Okay, so that's it. So this is the last section, the footer section, so you can just add your email and add your company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website and go live, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on the desktop and the mobile. Also, if you want to save your homepage design, and also after this, if you want to publish, you can just publish from here and it will be published. You can start selling. You can start selling and you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.